Let's begin our lesson by answering the question, what is physics? The word physics comes from a Greek word, physis, meaning nature. Its Sanskrit equivalent, bhautiki, is used to refer to the study of the physical world. Physics can be described as a study of all the basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. Hence, physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. Now, relevant to our syllabus, let's pick up some important areas so that we can answer the conceptual question of this chapter. So let's first understand the fundamental forces in nature. Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. These forces are treated as the fundamental forces in nature. Now let us study a comparison of relative strengths and the other features of these fundamental forces. Now here we study in the context of their relative strength, range, the operation and the mediated particle. Here, among all these, the strong nuclear force is considered to be the strongest. So its strength, if you refer to as 1, then the gravitational force is the weakest force and it is of the strength 10 power minus 39 times that of the strong nuclear force. It is just 10 power minus 39 times. So remember, among all the natural forces, the strongest force is nuclear force. The weakest force is the gravitational force. And the weak nuclear force is 10 power minus 13 times of the strong nuclear force. And electromagnetic force is 10 power minus 2 times, that is 1/100th of the strong nuclear force. The gravitational force range is infinite. It exists among all the objects in the universe. Any two bodies in the universe will be under the gravitational force of attraction. And the mediated particle is expected to be graviton. It's a theoretical phenomena. This graviton is not yet identified. It's assumed that an exchange particle graviton is responsible for gravitational force. And the weak nuclear force is a very short range force, a subnuclear in size, nearly 10 power minus 16 meters. It is operated among the elementary particles, particularly in beta decay, that's between an electron and a neutrino. The weak nuclear force is observed. And the mediated particle is a boson. And the electromagnetic force is again of infinite range. It exists between two charged particles and the exchange particle is photon. And strong nuclear forces are again short range forces of size of order 10 power minus 15 meters. Their range is of order 10 power minus 15 meters. And these forces are observed among the nucleons of a nucleus and among heavier elementary particles. The exchange particle is pi meson. According to Yukova's theory, the pi meson is responsible for the strong nuclear forces among the nucleons. So these are some important parameters with the natural forces, the fundamental forces.